What is up, YouTube? Messing around with some triple trees today. Nothing too over the top, just cleaning up some of the casting marks and getting them broken down a little bit more. Don't need the little nubs, so we're gonna grind those apart and clean up a set of trees before blasting and coating. So you'll get everything minus the final finished product, but the cleanup on them. Enjoy. Doing some triple tree work. So here's the one getting all ground down. Super smooth, cleaned up quite a bit. I'm not sure what I'm doing on the steering locks yet. Might get rid of those, haven't decided. But a little bit of time with the grinder. Clean these up, nice clean. Get rid of the casting ridges. Also, tire for the frame is really big for an 18. I might have clearance issues with the oil tank, so that's the next thing to tackle once I get all the bearings and get that wheel put together. Alright, set of narrow glide trees. We're just going to go ahead and chop these off, get these scrubbed and cleaned up on a clean chopper for that. There's a stocker. It's got the little nubs on them. Big casting mark across this. And it wraps all the way around to the back side as well. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing on the steering stops yet, but this to me looks a whole lot cleaner. So that'll get blasted and coated. Might smooth it out a little bit more beforehand, but off to a good start.